Let's look at how to use the TI calculator to solve an equation using the intersect function. Step 1, let y1 equal one side of the equation, and let y2 equal the other side of the equation. Step 2, we will use the intersect function to determine where the graphs cross. Step 3, the x-coordinate of the intersection points are the solutions to the equation. In this example, we'll start by going to y equals, and beside y1, we will type in the left side of the equation, x squared minus 2. And under y2, we'll type in the right side of the equation, x plus 4. And then graph, and we're looking for where those two graphs intersect. Notice it happens in two places. That means we have two solutions. To find them, we'll hit second trace to go to the calculate option, and we're looking for number 5, intersect. Notice it's asking for the first curve. If you move your cursor, it's going to move along the first curve, y1. Let's get close to that first intersection and hit enter. It'll automatically jump to the second curve, and again, we can scroll around that curve. We want to get close to the intersection and hit enter. Enter one more time, and it will give us -2, 2. That's the coordinate of intersection. The solution that we're looking for is the x-coordinate. So x equals -2. To find the other intersection, we will hit second trace. And again, we want option number 5, intersect. It's going to be on the first curve. We want to scroll over to the intersection, other intersection, hit enter. It will automatically jump to the second curve, hit enter, enter, and again we get the coordinate 3, 7. The answer, the solution to the equation is the x-coordinate 3. So the two solutions to this equation are -2 and 3.